Hey friends, Brad here, and today I want to be talking about renovation financing. I borrowed my wife's impact drill because she's the handy one in our household, and Prime Lending is one of the top renovation lenders in the country. We actually have 16 different renovation products, so today I'm going to be talking about one option, which is called a buyer-funded escrow repair account. So I had a great client that purchased a property last month. The issue was the property was being sold by a bank. It was a foreclosure. We don't see those as frequently as we used to, but they're still out there. And the property itself was not in financeable condition as is, which means most buyers couldn't use financing. They would have had to pay all cash. Well, with a buyer-funded escrow repair account, we got the appraisal back. We saw the minimum required items the appraiser was calling for to get the property in financeable condition. The client got an itemized bid from a licensed contractor for all the work that was going to be completed, and then they set the extra $5,000 or $10,000 aside at closing so that the work's completed and then the money's paid to the contractor once the work is complete. And in this way, a buyer was able to close on a property that other buyers weren't able to even consider, set aside a little bit of extra money for then the contractor to get paid once the work was complete. So that's one of the 16 different renovation products we have available. In future videos, I'll give you some more details than other ones. Have a great one.